short, me just don't eat. I'm hungry now. Curry turkey make a food you cook. Cheese and pizza, my Mr. Patya. But you go hard on the garlic, do man. You use look a ginger in it too? 5. How you do that? You see when it come out to food, this I knows you're talented. I have a bone to pick with you. How you never tell me what going on with you and Shoppy the other day? That not gonna work. Imagine, my girl never talk to me now. And then he just start blaze up on me, like say, me I beg you something. That not sound right. That not sound like Shoppy at all. Me I tell you what happened. Come, me and you go run.
No, more 5 bread. I'm giving about a dozen of them buns.
Married to go diplom. But first, yes, me I buy my gun. Yo, Shoppy!
Yo! Oh, that, baby!
5 never show you say him like you. Every time I go and shop him after, you want my friend there. Really? True. But you never behave so when I go around there. Never show you.
Yo, every man have a right to them own decision. But me not run certain joke, you know.
Real talk, I do what you want to do. But don't try to convince me to live my life. You see me?
Cheer.
Hey, Dogbed. Baby. Sorry. At the other day, a woman approached my sister with one of them things there, you know.
So she not decide?
Nah, man. Not them time, yeah?
Yeah.
She deal with it straightforward, man. Like a real J. So me know say my sister that, you know.
Real.
Straightforward and plain. You see me?
So,
No disrespect.
so watch her. How she deal with it?
Yo. She just look her straight in her eye them. And walk over to her and say, my girl, a man me love.
Mama, I want to go on. Mama, Shoppy. I want to go on.
Yo, me go lock that shop, yeah.
Yo, Shop.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thumbs up.